Yes, hello.
Can you hear me?
Yeah.
Okay, I can hear you properly.
Okay.
So, could I know yourself?
Yeah. First of all, thanks for giving me this opportunity to introduce myself. My name is Sandhya Mishra and I am from UP. I have completed my post graduation and nowadays I am running a YouTube channel which name is Sandhya Ki Classes. And if I talk about my hobbies, so my hobbies are listening music, teaching, and cooking. That's all. Would you like to introduce yourself?
Yeah, definitely. Okay, this is Shaun Mahmood in front of you. Right now, I am talking with you. I'm from Bangladesh at Borishal, and I'm a student. I'm a study at Agurpur Degree College, degree second year. And if I talk about my hobby, my hobby is speak English as well as making video. And I have a Facebook page, and every single day I uploaded my video on my Facebook page, but I don't have any YouTube channel. So that is the thing, and that's all about me.
So, why did you not create any YouTube channel?
Yeah,
Because if you are learning English language, then YouTube channel is very important and very helpful.
yeah, I know that. Definitely, I created a YouTube channel, but nowadays I didn't work behind a YouTube channel because I am learning speak English. That's why I have no time, free time behind YouTube channel. Nowadays, I try to
I
work
can,
my Facebook page.
yeah, I can easily understand.
And
Yeah,
when I can speak English properly, that time I will work behind YouTube channel. I think it.
yeah. So you are beginner, but you are looking a good speaker.
So what do you think about me?
No, you are looking a good speaker. I am beginner because nowadays I am learning English language.
Yeah. When you started your English journey, could I
No,
know?
no more time. Only 30 days ago I have started my journey.
Oh, that's great. Your sound is very good. So you started your journey 30 days ago. Right now you talking with me. Your speak is very well, sister.
Yeah, thank you.
Yeah, do you know when I started my English journey? I
Yeah,
have been learning to
definitely.
speak English 4 months running.
4 months.
Yeah.
Yeah, and the result in front of me, right?
Yeah. That result I am talking with you. And when I started my English journey 4 months ago, that time I couldn't make any single sentence. That time I was not able to understand English. But nowadays it is very easy for me. And I am started my journey very crazily, and I'm super duper crazy to learning speak English. That's why my position is before than better. I think, and I realized it.
But I can understand it easily. But when I trying to speak, that time words do not come out of my mouth. But nowadays I am feeling good.
Yeah. It is obviously practice thing, and English speaking is very important. Is practice. If you want to practice each and every single day, and if you do hard work behind speaking English, one day you will be a great result. Always I think it, always I do it. And I have so many elder brother. They are told me, Shaun, if you want to improve your speaking English, you have to practice each and every single day, and you have to maintain your regularity. So nowadays I am trying maintain my regularity, and I am doing a consistency behind learning speak English, and I believe that one day I will become a speaker.
Yeah, definitely.
Oh, so I think you're from India, right?
Yeah, I am from India.
So where are you in India?
In India, I am from Uttar Pradesh in Balia district.
Oh, Uttar Pradesh dialect. Yes, yes, I heard that. So, do you know about Bangladesh?
Yeah, I know about Bangladesh.
Can we
No,
speak?
but no more about Bangladesh, but I little knowledge about Bangladesh.
Yeah, yeah. Can you understand Bangla language?
No, I am unable to.
So how many languages do you have speak?
I have three language. I can speak Hindi, Bhojpuri, Punjabi, little bit Punjabi, and
Oh,
little bit English. Four language I can speak.
yeah. Your sound is very good. Already you can speak three languages. Oh, that's great. But I can speak two languages, Bengali or English. Right now, I can speak English little by little.
Bengali is your native language, right?
Yeah,
And
obviously.
you are
My
working on English language.
Yeah, yeah, yeah. English is second language in our country, but my native language is my mother tongue language is Bangla. You know, our around always we talk Bangla. That's why English is very tough for us. But nowadays, I created a environment to learning and speaking English.
Yeah. I have not any partner for learn English, but nowadays I am learning myself.
Yeah, yeah, it is a very great thing. You should, if you don't find any partner, you should practice yourself, only yourself. You go to your mirror, in front of your mirror, you ask any question.
Maybe suggest me, yes, suggest me. Go in front of mirror and talk yourself.
Yeah, yeah, this kind of method is very important.
And I am always interact with him.
Yeah, yeah, that's great. It is one kind of a great practice, you can say. And those who are learning and speaking English, they are not getting any partner. They are doing it and they are improving. It is a normal thing. If you can do it, no problem, I think.
Yeah, yeah. So,
So,
what do you think for learning English? Your opinion?
sorry, please, sorry,
Uh,
say again.
what what thing is important for learning English language in your opinion?
What thing in learning and speaking English?
Like thinking, speaking, listening, reading, writing.
Yeah, yeah, yeah. If I tell about five things, it is more important. Three things. It is my opinion: listening, speaking, and thinking. Okay.
Think.
So whenever you get free time, you should translate your native language and translate to English. So that time you can understand some vocabulary, you can understand some make sentence, and you should always try to think in English. That time you can speak very easily, and you should listening. Listening is a more important. Every
Yes.
single day I try to listen 30 minutes minimum because I know that English. If I can speak English, if I want to improve my speaking English, I should listening more and more. That's why I always respect listening, and listening is very important, sister.
Very
Uh,
important because when we listen our particular language every day, every time, every places, our brain is absorb the process of language, how it is work. So
yes, yes,
listening is very important for all learners, and listening is very important. So I always follow this tips, this
yeah.
step.
It is a must at the beginning time. That
Yeah.
time we learning and speaking English, that time we should we should listening more and more. And if must you those who are speak you understand very easily. you can watch their video, and you can understand very easily their conversation, their speech.
Yeah.
Yeah, so I do it, and I those who are those who are speech I understand very easily, and I downloaded their some speech, and whenever I get free time I try to listen their speech, and it will be beneficial for me, and if you can do it, it is beneficial for you.
Yeah, definitely.
So could I know why you learning speak English? Why you learning speak English?
Sorry?
Why
Because
you learn
sometimes your
English?
voice is breaking.
Huh?
Sometimes your voice is breaking. So
Okay,
please
okay.
repeat.
I tell you. Right now you are learning speak English, right?
Yeah.
So why are you learning speak English?
Why are you learning? Yeah.
Yeah.
Without any reason, because English is becoming a global language, you can say. So without any reason, without any purpose, I am learning English. I am learning English with you can say enjoying. So without any purpose, I have
Oh,
joined an institute, and his name is American Institute. Do you know about American Institute?
yeah, yeah. I heard.
So yeah, so I have completed my 1 month.
Oh, sorry, sorry.
No issue. Your voice is audible and you are visible.
Sorry, sister. I didn't hear. Please tell me again.
Yeah, I say that without any reason, I am learning English language. I
Oh,
am
that's good.
learning English language with myself. Yeah,
Yeah, I got it. Your point. You learning speak English without any reason, right?
yeah,
Yeah, that's it is necessary for us in our life. It is a big part of our life. So it is a
yeah,
crucial thing. So everybody should learning speak English. It will be better for any people.
yeah. Because every field in a demanding English language. And
Yeah,
without English language, nothing is possible. If you want to do something in your life, if you want to achieve something in your life, then English is important for us. So you can say without any reason or reason, with reason, both of.
yeah, yeah. So I think you're married, right?
Yeah, I am married and I have a boy. He is 6 years old and he is study in class 3.
Oh, that's great. So what does your husband?
My husband is a businessman.
Oh, that's great. And he support you to learning speak English, right?
Yeah. He, my all family is supporting.
Yeah, because it is a good thing. It is a good subject. So that's why anyone can learning and speak English. No problem.
Because I am a private teacher and I give tuition at home. So English is our need.
Yeah, yeah, absolutely right.
Yeah.
Yeah, I'm a student, and if I one day I will become a very good speaker, it is my dream. And if I can do it, one day I will teach some students, and it is my dream. I don't know I will be able or not. Allah knows the
Definitely, one
best.
day you will be complete your dream.
Yeah, yeah.
Definitely.
Thank you, sister, and always pray
Because
for me. Okay.
because you are working hard, and if you are working hard, then one day you will definitely complete your dreams.
Yeah, I never ever give up, and it is my dream, and I have to success my dream. Always, I keep in mind it.
Yeah. Think always
Yes.
positive. Think
Yeah, you
always. it is.
your think provide your result, so it is a natural thing.
Yeah.
So that is the thing, sister. It was a great conversation. I have to go and I have some
Okay.
work. So, if
Okay.
you want, you can call me another time. If you want to practice with me, you can call me, sister. No problem.
Okay. Okay. Okay.
Okay.
Definitely. Okay.
So,
Nice to meet you.
yes,
Then
thank you.
thank you.